What's up, YouTube? It's Modern Integra. We're finally gonna put the exhaust on the green Integra, on the green Goblin, and it should sound beautiful. Got them both sitting up because I was just seeing how I had this full exhaust hooked up under here, under the Red Ranger, and then this is under the Green Goblin, and that needs to be replaced. So there goes the old stock exhaust. Ooh, this is a big canister here, taking all that sound away. And as you can see, they tried to fix it. It's been welded. It's really time to goddamn get a new one. Look, it definitely needed to be replaced. Here's the new exhaust here. It is a catback exhaust. I didn't get a chance to get headers for the Green Goblin, so we have the catback part, and then the headers will be coming, but it still should sound amazing. Alright guys, so I finally got the cold air installed. Also, I did it off camera because I had just wanted to get it done really fast and have it done. Didn't want to take too much time. And now I'm just eating my lunch, and then I'm gonna give you guys some revs and let you hear it. It sounds amazing. I already tested it, but yeah, and it sounds even better with the cold air on and the exhaust versus the stock exhaust. Look at Red Ranger sitting over there looking sexy. Promise we're gonna get her back together. We're gonna get her running again, boys. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Looking nice. K&N filter, so it should perform pretty good. Now we're about to go in Walmart. We're about to get some oil. I'm gonna do an oil change. It's past due for one. So yeah, let's get some oil, get a filter. I also need some spray paint because I have some tables at home. We got some new tables, and I kind of want to paint them a gold color there. Silver now, but I kind of want them to be painted gold. M1104. Gotcha. And we're looking for 5W30 oil. What color do you want to spray the tables? I thought we were doing gold.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
So we're gonna go with, what is it called?
Satin nickel.
All right, we're back at my mom's house. It's getting a little late on us, but we're still gonna go through. We're still gonna get that oil change done, and we're also gonna lift the exhaust up in the back on the hangers because I ended up taking them off the hangers. So let's keep going. Let's go. Yes, we got it. So we're gonna let that drain for about 10-15 minutes. Always discard products correctly. The way that I discard used oil is once I'm done using this container here and I'm putting the new oil in, I'm gonna put the old oil inside the new container there and take it to O'Reilly's to be disposed.